Hey guys, this is live2 insert word, just another quick take apart video. This one promises to be a good one too. This time is of the iPod video slash iPod nano 3rd generation. So that is my introduction. So we're just gonna set it down there like we usually do, and using our famous white lithium grease, spread a little bit on there, just a little bit, don't want too much. In the previous video you'll notice that I took it apart, so we're gonna spray that in there too, kinda try and coat everything. And we are going to, where's my hammer? Here it is on the hammer. Going to take the hammer. Actually, I guess first we should light it. So you're going to, you're fire already. That's pretty quick. Alright. That's pretty cool. Alright, so yeah, I forgot to take the battery out of it. So that's what the see if it's still warm. Nope. You gotta do this at least a couple times. There's no way this stuff that's being taken off of here is good enough, or a good smell. Oh, did you see that? That was kinda cool. Okay, so flash hard drive is fried thoroughly. It doesn't look like I'm hitting it that hard, but it's a lot of force being exerted. Alright, sweet. Yeah, there we go. It's now there's part of the LCD screen. And the case. So yeah, just do a little bit of song selecting. It's very warmish still. You know, I'm really hoping the owner didn't mind